Hello, today I'd like to talk to you about Computer Physicians. We are a computer repair IT support company located in Longmont, Colorado, and we service Longmont, Boulder, Denver, and the entire Front Range of Longmont. We also perform remote access help worldwide through the internet. And we wanted to go over our new website that we redesigned and updated. As you can see, you just go to computer-physicians.com. There's a hyphen between computer and physicians. And we provide computer repair, IT support, data recovery since 1999. We are known for fast same-day service. Our turnaround time is usually the same day or between 1 to 3 days, depending on the situation. We offer in-shop, on-site, or remote help. And we can also come to you at your location. Computer Physicians was founded in 1999 in Longmont. We are A+, Microsoft Certified Professionals and Microsoft Technology Associates, Microsoft Windows Certified. Our lead technician president has over 20 years experience working with computers. He has over 3 college degrees in computers and has helped over 3,000 satisfied clients with their computer systems. We provide computer repair, data recovery, IT support, network setup, maintenance, troubleshooting, printer repair, Wi-Fi and internet setup and troubleshooting, virus removal and security, hardware and software repair, setup and training, website design, hosting, marketing, SEO, computer sales. We sell new and used systems and all types of computer peripherals and parts and accessories. We provide upgrades and installations, and we also service PC and Apple Mac computers that are serviced. If you go to our About section of our website, you'll see some more information, detailed information about Computer Physicians and the owner. We go over all the services we provide. Basically, anything you can do with a PC computer, it's all our job to fix it and repair. And we also provide computer sales as well, selling new and used computer systems. This is our contact information right here and a testimonial from one of our past clients. We do accept all major credit cards. And as you can see, we're A+ certified from CompTIA, also Microsoft Certified Professional, and also a Microsoft Technology Associate. We also have a Facebook page. If you click on this, we'll go to our Facebook section right here for Facebook. And you can like us on Facebook as well. This is our contact information right here. Our phone number is 303-746-0389. You can click on the link here to call us. And again, our information here is for contact information. Go over what we cover here. We also have a blog where we provide blog posts, and you can go through the website and go down through the different blog posts. We have different categories or posts are listed here. Some of our posts and different categories of the post. We also provide website design and website marketing. So we have that right here in one of these posts. This is one of our clients, Bumblebee Tree Experts. We also provide Microsoft Excel classes. And if we go over to one of our main links here, you can see we provide the educational classes for Microsoft 365 Excel. We provide an Excel beginner class, intermediate class, and advanced class in Excel. So if you click on one of these, it'll take us to one of our classes that we offer right here. We also provide Song Director software. This is software that we created. It keeps track of music, songs. It's a Song Director automatically catalogs, organizes, and plays your music files, keeps track of all your music files. click on here for a bigger view, and this is kind of what it looks like right here. And we also provide name-based software as well, which is a similar program, but it keeps track of people instead of music. And you can also go through and download that as well. Just click on the links here for a download. We also provide data recovery, and we can extract your data from your hard drive, floppy drives, external drives, CD cards, flash drives, both internal and external hard drives. We also have a convenient bill pay option. You can pay right through our website right here. And also have our authorization forms right here you can look at if you need to look at that. And if you click on this link, we do provide website design, hosting, and marketing. Some examples of some websites that we designed. This is the Song Director website right here you can go to. And Bumblebee Tree Expert website is one of the other clients that we have and we service. We also provide remote access help basically anywhere in the world. If you need some remote access help, we can provide remote access through an internet connection, and we can fix your computer problems, and we use a secure remote access connection. And we use secure software from Microsoft. So if you have a problem with your computer and you need help right away, we can provide a remote PC help using your internet connection as if we were there in person. You just have to call and contact us, and we'll arrange a time to help you remotely. But you will have to have a computer working well enough to access the internet and your email and your internet. So again, if you want to have some computer help and need some help with IT support, data recovery, and just about anything having to do with your computer, you can give us a call. Computer Physicians. We're located in Longmont, Colorado.